The Container Effects Alpha plugin will allow us to alpha on a series of containers. It's found within the built-ins in the container plugins within the Container Effects folder, and it works on a container that houses a series of subcontainers underneath it. So here you can see that I have a scene set up. I have a group, and within that group I have a container, and within that container I have 9 subcontainers here. If I turn one of these off, it's just hiding one of the bars here. I can take this Container Effects Alpha, drag it onto my top container, go into the Container Effects Alpha plugin, and within our progress percentage here is where we'll start to see the alpha. So as I increase the progress percentage, it's increasing the alpha of each container. So this is where we could set a keyframe. We could come in here and start it at 0, hit set keyframe, and then progress this up to 100% and hit set keyframe. So if we rewind here and hit play, you can see that our bars animate on here. Now within the Container Effects Alpha, you have options here to affect the animation. You have a direction. It's set to start by default. You could also change to end, random, static, wave, center, or to center. If we change it to center, for instance, and we come back and hit play, it's now going to add on there from the center. So if we come up into our scene here, we'll just hide that background so we can see better about what's going on when we hit play. So you can see that we almost have everything revealed here. As you come in and adjust your effect range, you can see how that's kind of affecting how fast or slow it will affect the next container in line. There's a container order. You have a horizontal and a vertical choice. Under those choices, you have a direction, either left or right. You also have a tree choice, which refers to the scene tree. Below that, you have an alpha begin. So you can set where you want the alpha percentage to begin and then where you want the alpha percentage to end. As I adjust it down, you can see the transparency here, and this is all the higher it would get if it was set to 79. So a couple settings in here to play around with within the Container Effects Alpha setting, but mainly set your keyframes here, and then you can come in and start playing with the different directions to see how this affects the animation.